Greetings, YouTube public. Offender here. We're thinking forward. So, I got a request, actually, to do a little more with the old date and cash register. Which, yeah, I did decide I haven't fixed this part yet. That's going to take some... I have to buy a tap and screw thing and I have to take the hinge out and actually reset it because it's bent to hell and it's not... The screws are still in it and I try to reset them, but the screws, you know, the way they made these old things is once you put the screw in, you can't really take it back out again. It just doesn't want to go back together. Just like an antique firearm, you know, from the 1800s. You probably don't want to take that apart. However, again, I haven't replaced this bit yet, but I did make progress. See, the cash drawer originally wouldn't stay closed. However, I made some adjustments, and she opens. I actually found a couple of coins in there, buried in the back, under stuff. Let's see, just today I found this, 1979, a quarter. The back is shiny, like it hasn't seen the light of day in many, many years. But watch. It closes. Oh, yes. And even the mechanism, oh, I put the copper oxide painted tray back over it, like the counter cover. But the button inside of there still works. You push it, pops the drawer open. It's pretty cool. Actually, I might be able to demonstrate. Let's see. Can I get this out of here without making a giant mess? Yes, I can. Alright, let me place that down. Yeah, this little button will... Boop! That's cool, isn't it? I thought it was cool, but yeah, so far so good. That's the only real update, other than some general oiling and work and the cobwebs out and everything. I've noticed some of these flags are in really bad shape. As you can see, you can even hardly tell that says 7 cents. She's a flaking really bad. So these were ceramic coated tin, I think. So I'm probably gonna have to... Oh, and that's... Oh man, that's bad. There's probably all kinds of mercury, and I'm just touching it and it's coming off. Oh, that's bad. Well, it's probably leaded and probably full of mercury or whatever they used back in the day. So, but this was never meant to be touched or exposed. Obviously, there would have been 3 very thick pieces of glass over that. And she's probably been touched and played with for past 20, 30 years. And it's all flaked, but yeah, that... You can still see 40 cents, pretty good. But I'm probably going to have to take these all out one by one, strip that off, and I'll probably hand paint them. You know, these don't look like they were hand painted. They were probably stenciled, you know. But airbrushed, probably with a foot-powered brush or something. Psst, psst, psst. Let's see, what was this $3? Oh, the $3 one is in really poor condition. There's nothing left of that. What about the $2 icon? Oh no, she walked again. She did. Darn, I didn't do my oiling well enough here. Wait, it's one of these that gets stuck. I know it is. Has to do with... There it is. Alrighty. Yeah, she just needs a little more gun oil, but the $2 icon, it must not have been used very often because that is in phenomenal shape. Either that or it was replaced. No, that's flaking really bad. I need to not be breathing that in. Oh, I think, what have we got here? What is 70 cents? Looks like it's in good shape. Damn it, it keeps locking up on me. That's okay. But as you can see, oh, it might be because I didn't close her up. let's see, we got 70 cents. Yeah, I'm going to have to redo all of these flags. I will try to save as many of them as I can, but probably not going to happen. It's unfortunate. The no sale sign was replaced. Who knows how long ago, but it was replaced with something a little less, you know, that I can feel it painted on there, but it's not nearly as bad. Why is this sticking again? I thought I fixed that. Bam! There it is. Oh, the whole mechanism is a little... I might have to tighten down on that, give it a little more gun oil, but as you can see, the no sale sign has been replaced with something a little, like I said, a little less flaky, a little more reliable. But all of the other flags are the original flags. Anyway, yeah, that's a small update video. As you can see, I fixed it. See, it's flush. I did my best. The gear in the very back of it, actually there's 3 mechanisms that make that work. One is tied to the money counter, customer counter, and then the other one is just a gear that holds it closed with a big bed spring on the end of it. I had to take all that apart. I had to do some things with a torch to bend some metal bits to come back up. It looked like somebody had hammered on it before and messed it all up. I had to redo all of that, but anywho, just an update on the old cash registering unit. So just remember, I keep thinking forward.